Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, got something new for you today for the Jeep. This is a mat that I've been wanting for the Jeep, and periodically different companies send me products to review. JOYTUTUS sent me a Jeep JL mat, so I'm going to give a review on it, give you my take on it. It looks like it's a pretty robust mat, pretty thick. So come on back and let's get this unraveled and I'll give you my honest review. This is a mat for a Jeep JL 2018 and above, or as in years. So let's take this out. It's pretty robust. Take this out. There we go. Lay that to the side. So what I'm going to do is give you my review on it, give you an idea of how it looks. I think it's going to be cool for the Jeep because right now I don't have a mat for the Jeep. I just have floor mats, but nothing like a rubber mat that can hold the water. It's like it's a pretty nice, thick and robust mat. So I'm going to take it out and show you guys. I'll put it in the grass. So let's get this going. Taking this out, it should be pretty straightforward. I'll flip it over. It doesn't have any other connectors for it. And get out of here, B. And I'll pull it out, show you guys. It looks pretty robust. I like it. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Give you a little close-up view here. They got the tread for the tire. It looks pretty robust. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. You see how thick that is? And it has the little divots on the back so it can hold on to the carpet inside the Jeep. So let's go ahead and get this puppy mounted. I'm so excited. Take this here. It should be a straightforward project. And let's see what we get. So you got the rings in here. They have this little thing here where you have your tie downs here, but you notice there's not one here. So if I flip this over, because some Jeep JLs don't come with a subwoofer, this is an Alpine subwoofer, so I'm going to try switching it around to go with these tie downs here, and it looks like it may be a perfect fit. You know what? I'm going to leave it like it is. These here, but then you have this section right here. You can actually trim it off if you want to. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it because this is Alpine subwoofer here. If anything wet gets on here, it won't have to splash onto the bottom part of this here. But if I wanted to, I could trim this off. Or I could just simply fold it, but then you fold it, they're just going to bring the water this way. So I'm going to leave it. I like it like that. That way it can be like a bumper. It doesn't damage the speaker grill. So I think I like it. It's pretty cool, but that's your choice. You can trim that off, or you can just leave it. I'm going to leave mine just the way it is, because I think I like it that way. The next part of this here, I want to do a testing with maybe some sand or some mud or something like that, and I'll wash it off and see how well the grit and all that stuff comes off. I'm going to do that for you, give you an idea, because I probably won't have all that grit and grime on it, but let's give it a shot. So far, this JOYTUTUS type mat here is leading up to my expectations. I wanted a simple mat that it will work and it will kind of hold that water or hold that liquid, whatever might spill out inside of the back of Eugene the Jeep. Let's do the mud test, sand test, and see what happens. I'll go ahead and take the mat out, put it on the ground, just give you guys an idea how it's going to look. And what I'll do, I'm going to simulate this here with some mud, some dirt, just put it on here, get it all nice and gritty. Get on with clean it up, just give you guys an idea how it's going to look. So this is just some dirt. I'm going to just simulate for you. I want to see how well it washes off. Get my hands all dirty in this here like that. Yeah, there you go. So this is not probably not how it's going to look inside of your Jeep, but we're going to see just for demonstration purposes only. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. Let's see what happens. It's like it's holding up. There we go. Wash off my hands here. Not bad of a mat. This is how it's going to look once you rinse it off. Give it a little bit more spray. Put that to the side. There we go. Spray it some more. There you go. Lift that to the side. And this is the way it looked. It came off really nice. Not much dirt on the back either. So that's not bad. I like it. Put this inside here. I can wipe it down later. But not bad. You gotta get the Jeep kind of messy. Not bad. I like it. So I'll wipe it down a little bit. But other than that, that's pretty cool. My review or my opinion on the JOYTUTUS type mat for your Jeep JL, I'll give it 4 stars out of 5. Reason why I'm giving it 4 stars out of 5, just because I know there might be other ones out there that you might like, that you might give it 5 stars yourself. But this here, I think 5 stars will be for the bang for the buck, as in the money. And what I'll do, I'll put a link below and also a coupon code below the screen. You guys can order this here for your Jeep JL. I like it, not bad. It's going to serve the purpose for small spills. I'm not looking for anything and have to rinse out the whole Jeep wet. I know I've seen videos that you can actually take your water hose and just spray out your Jeep. I'm not going to do that with this one here. But you guys can order it for yourself. I think you'll like it. But until then, you guys take care of yourself. Be good to yourself. See you next time. Bye.